Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can update your CapCut PC app. So super simple, you're just going to select the settings button here. You are going to then select the version, so this is the version 1.4.0. Or if you're already on a project, for instance, you can go to menu, go to settings, and then actually go to menu and then go to more and then go to the version. So go to more, go to the version and check for updates. And as you can see, there is this new one, so I'm just going to select install now, and it's going to download for a few minutes. It doesn't take that long, to be honest, but for this one it does take a few minutes. But when you're done, you are going to just close CapCut, and then it's going to open up in that new update, in that new version. So I'm just gonna wait for it to hit 100%, and then it's going to restart the app. See, CapCut is being upgraded. Closing the window won't affect upgrading. Actually, I'm just not going to make you wait. It's just going to be upgraded once that's done. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this to be helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!